President William Ruto is in shock. He is confused. He has panicked. The one-term thing is real because he became president courtesy of the votes from the Mount Kenya region. The Mount Kenya region, those who voted for him, those who voted for Raila are all against him. He had hoped he could persuade President Uhuru Kenyatta to assist him to divide the mountain. Even when he went to cry to him in Ichaweri, he was there on a mission to see how he can get President Uhuru Kenyatta to see whether in one way or another he could cause some confusion and the mountain is divided so that the mountain vote does not go to somebody else in one basket. President Uhuru Kenyatta cannot allow President William Ruto to divide the mountain. President Kenyatta and I and other leaders, Martha Karua, Justin Muturi, Mithika Linturi, will do whatever it takes to make sure the mountain is united, because that vote is very important to this country, and it is a vote that will help the rest of Kenyans get rid of William Ruto. So I want to ask William Ruto to stop sending junior leaders to abuse President Uhuru Kenyatta. President Uhuru Kenyatta left you a great country. When he left office, the health system was working. In 3 years, you have destroyed the health system. When President Uhuru Kenyatta left office, the university, the Higher Education Loans Board was working. 3 years down the line, you have destroyed it. When President Uhuru Kenyatta left office, there was capitation for primary schools and secondary schools. 3 years down the line, children are at home. Stop blaming President Uhuru Kenyatta for your political problems and challenges. You destabilize your own government. You lie to the people of Kenya. You have made corruption a way of life. You have made bribery the epitome of State House. The challenges that you have as a president are of your own making. And stop blaming President Uhuru Kenyatta. Stop sending leaders to abuse President Uhuru Kenyatta. And I want to challenge William Ruto, if he is a man enough to abuse President Kenyatta himself. Stop sending some leaders to abuse President Kenyatta on your behalf. Do it yourself if you are man enough. Abuse him. And let me say, I will not allow President Uhuru Kenyatta to be intimidated. I have a responsibility as a leader from the region to defend our son, our kinsman. President Uhuru Kenyatta must be allowed to retire in dignity. He must be allowed to enjoy his constitutional freedom to do whatever he wants. If he wants to work with us, why not? If he wants to work with Gachagua to unite the mountain, to unite Kenya, why not? And I want to tell William Ruto, I heard him saying that Azimio cannot be anything without ODM. He is lost. The ODM of Raila Odinga is not the ODM of today. What William Ruto is holding is a shell of ODM, the fake one, of Junet Mohammed, Gladys Wanga, and Oburu Odinga. The ODMB, the one with the people, is gone and is in one term. The people of Ukambani are gone, they are in one term. The people of Kisii are gone, they are in one term. The mountain is gone, is in one term. And by the way, there is no UDA without the mountain. It's a shell. So let him not, and he should know, Azimio only lost because the mountain did not go to Azimio in total. As we talk, the mountain, Azimio, United Opposition, ODMB, all of us are in one term. We'll get 70+1 and we'll make him one-term president. So let him stop sending people to abuse President Uhuru Kenyatta. Let him not demean Azimio. Let him deal with his own challenges that are self-inflicted. He mismanaged politics. He mismanaged the country. He made corruption a way of life. He made lies as his trademark. And Kenyans are fed up because they can see through him. And therefore, he should sort out his own problems, and he should not send people to blame President Uhuru Kenyatta for his woes. And I want to say to the people of Kenya that I will take time. Anytime Uhuru Kenyatta is attacked, I must defend him as our retired president, as my brother, as my kinsman. And I have a responsibility to do so. And that I'll be able